Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate the free 3D models online. You can customize them or you can use them anywhere you want. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, you don't need even third-party applications. Just simply open this website which says 3dthis.com. Once this website gets loaded, you need to scroll down until you see this option which says 3D modeling for apps. Just simply do it and click here. And here you need to click on this option which says do it 3D. Once you click over there, now here you can create 3D objects and even you can import from an image. For example, if I open an image and I can generate 3D objects from this image as well. I just simply need to select the parts I want, and you can see a 3D image has been started generating from an image, so I can use it and with my creativity and use it anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.